You're probably sitting there wondering if your product idea could actually work. Let me tell you about James. A few weeks ago, he was exactly where you might probably be right now. He had this idea for a SaaS product for real estate agents. And like most founders, his first instinct was to dive into development. And here's what made James different. Instead of dropping $20,000 on development, he spent just $500 on validation. And within 14 days, he had 10 real estate agents ready to pay for his product before writing a single line of code. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how he did it. Grab a notebook, we're going to write down the exact process or save this video somewhere safe. You really want to keep this video safe. And you know what's funny? Most validation attempts fail before they even start. Want to know why? Because founders talk to the wrong people in the wrong ways. Here's how I mean. When James first started, he was all excited about building what he called revolutionary CRM for real estate agents. But here's the thing, that was way too vague. So he spent the first 2 days doing something that might surprise you. We didn't build anything, we didn't even plan features. Instead, we got super specific about who we are building for. Drop a comment right now with who your ideal customer is. I bet you'll be surprised how much clarity you get from just writing it down. Let's get back to James. He didn't want just real estate agents. That was still too broad. He targeted solo agents doing 2 to 5 million in annual sales in suburban markets. Now let me tell you that his specificity, it changed everything. Now here's where most people mess up. They jump straight into pitching their solution. Please don't do that. Instead, here's exactly what we did. We spent $200 on Facebook ads targeting our specific segment. The offer, a $50 Amazon gift card for just 30 minutes to chat about their problems. And here's the golden question that they got to get the best insight. Walk me through your last deal from start to finish. What takes up most of your time each day? What's the most frustrating part of your current CRM? Pro tip coming your way right now. Record these calls with permission, of course. Your memory will play tricks on you, and you need the exact word for what's gonna come next. Now this is where it gets interesting. Through our calls, we discovered something fascinating. These agents weren't actually struggling with managing contacts. The real problem, they couldn't stay in touch with past clients in a personal way. Drop a comment if you've ever had to completely change your product idea after talking to customers. You're not alone, I tell you. One agent literally said, and I wrote this down, I know I should send personal check-in messages, but I can't remember everyone's detail. That right there, that's gold. Let me share something that might be controversial. Revalidation isn't about what people say, it's about what they'll pay for. That's exactly what we did with our final $300. One, we created another Facebook ad. Two, we built a simple landing page on card.co, that's about $19. We used the exact word from our calls. Then we offered 6-month access for $97. That's 50% of, about some percent out of the plan. And then we got a few customers in the next few hours. So here's what we do. We turned that $500 into a few weeks with paying customers. And try to validate before we actually start building that what we're trying to do matters. I've put together all the exact landing page and customer interview in a free validation swap file below. The link is in the description. In the next video, I'm going to show you how most MVP fails and how to make sure yours doesn't. Hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. I read every comment and I'd love to hear what you're working on. Tell me below. You'll be surprised about what you found with your validation process. Was it the budget, the timeline, or something else? I look forward to hearing from you.